See that bag? It's Cheetos. Instead of putting a carrot on the snowman, we put a Cheeto. And so there's these seagulls around, and let's see what happens to the Cheeto.
They're not even leaving now.
Alright, so the seagulls got the Cheeto before I could film them. They were that quick.
Oh!
Here comes one. Oh, it fell down. Let's see if they get it anyway.
No worries.
Oh, there they go.
Alright, let's try again.
We'll put another one. Third time's a charm. Oh, they're not even gonna wait. They're already circling. Watch this guy.
He's just gonna wait. Alright.
Oh, that's awesome. David, do not do anything.
David.
She gonna put a bunch of them on. Oh yeah, see what happens.
Oh, they're all.
Maybe this could
Oh, they just take. Oh man, one at a time. They're just gonna take it. Take turns. It's a buffet.
He's like, I'm staying here.
I'm staying.
getting all
This
of
is
them.
mine. Stay away.
3. Oh, he was
like,
Step away from the snowman and the Cheetos.
sticking its tongue out.
Put the Cheeto down.
Here he comes.
He's already coming.
Oh.
Oh, they just raided. All right, attack.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw it and see who's gonna get it.
Oh, look at that.
They fought over it.
That was hilarious.
That's awesome.
That's pretty much all I have.